Let's solve this equation together. It says 2x minus 4y is equal to 3, and we are required to find 16x divided by 256y. First things first, we can write this as 16 to be equal to 4 squared and 256 to be equal to 4 to the power of 4. Alright, now substituting this here, we have 4 squared raised to the power of x, which is 4 raised to the power of 2x, divided by 4 raised to the power of 4y is equal to question mark. Alright, we don't know what the answer is. Now, we have from here, when you are dividing and the things are in the same base, subtract the power. Okay, so we have 4 raised to the power of 2x minus 4y. Okay, this is equal to, so from the equation we have that 2x minus 4y is equal to 3. So this is equal to 4 raised to the power of 3, and this is equal to 64. Okay, but now recall that the equation says 2x minus 4y is equal to 3. Okay, if you factorize this, it gives you 2 multiplied by x minus 2y. Alright, and 2 multiplying something like this can not give us an odd number. Alright, so that's what makes this question wrong.